Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have it's a wall mount bike rack. You can see this is what this is what it here. So in your garage, instead of having your bike just sitting there on the ground, why not hang it from the wall and take up a little bit less space? So that's the plan with this here. So I'll show you guys what it looks like and how it kind of works. And so we'll figure this out together, I guess. So let's see, is it going to go that way? Let's see. It looks like it comes with this and this. And this piece. And a bunch of screws and mounting stuff. You can mount it into concrete and mount it into wood. My garage has wood stuff, so we're going to be using wood. But let's try this thing out here and see what it kind of says here. So we have the ability. So this will hang like so. Okay, I've got the bike mount figured out, and I'll show you guys how you can do it. So what you'll do is you'll screw it through any of these three. You see, you got the three screws there, 3 holes there, 3 holes there. So you screw it onto the the back wall or in a corner, or you can even rotate it sideways like this. You can see, so I could mount it on the side of a sidewall. So you can pretty much, you have flexibility as far as where you want to do it. So you mount it up, and then this will be up here when you're not using it. And then when you want to put your bike in it, you'll go like this. So this will be mounted. This will come down like that. And you see it holds it right there. And then you just pick up your wheel, stick it in here, and it just hangs from there. And so you want to put it up high enough so it'll hang, high enough on the wall. So the bottom will just be touching the ground, or will just be close to it. So that's kind of the concept of it. So it goes up, and you can fold it away when you're not using it. Pull it down, put your bike wheel in it, and then this here holds it in there. If you look here, the way they have it, so it's all. So I had to screw these 2 pieces together here and here. That was really the only assembly other than attaching it to the wall, which I will do shortly. But you can see here, so you have your bike. So once it's down, just stick your wheel in it, and then that little hook at the end goes right up to the I don't know what it's called, the shaft where the handlebar is. So here's the guy doing it. So you pick it up and put it in there. So how cool is that? Super cool. A nice mount for the bike. And this is really cool. So this is going to be nice to put in there. Just, I would just try to, for me, my goal is to get it to hit a stud. So that's what I'll do. So I like it. Thumbs up.